light. So that we see that this is a python. Spirit of a python. Snake will coil around you. And before it consumes you, it starts by looking at you. And it wants to see you suffer. It continues to squeeze you. Squeezing all the anointing out of you, taking all the power. Say no, the spirit of bondage. The voice, snake, the python. Because you can feel it, you can sense it. No, but there's a snake. There's a snake. There's snakes. So it's got to see the it's time to put on the light. So that I want you to also share the pain that I'm getting as God. How many times was I saying emotional abuse esiyenza uNkulunkulu njengabazalwane. Engathi uNkulunkulu akazakwenzele lutho in your life. Usitshela leyo akathi uNkulunkulu ayikhose athambe oyithathela uNondindwa abe unkosikazi wakho. I want to make you feel that abantu abayenza kumina ukuthi they are in harlotry. Ngikhona nje umyeni wabo ngokuIsrael kwakungakhoti kaNkulunkulu. But ukamnandi Hosea to go and wed, go and marry a harlot, a woman of harlot, to Gamlet. To Gamlet, to emthatha mlethe endlini yakhe aphinda ahambe uGalethe uGamlethe uqhubeka nemsebenzi yakhe amshiyele nenyoka. Enjoy ukuthi kuhome la emgedeni. Uthi ngibe ngihleliphe kwayo. Ingangilumi. Enjoy comfort. Yesho Hosea ethe madoda masimahle. Kuhle kugcwele emzini yenu namagroseni maningi kodwa usuku likaJehova liyeza phendukani shiyani lezinto these things are just a facade. So abantu baqhubeka bathi ubani ngizositshela leyo nto akathi uNkulunkulu ayikhose athambile ibhizinyazi isikhali enjoying the world ngoba kumnyama kayiboni. We were not born to cohabit with reptiles. We cannot befriend snakes. Snakes were never meant to be man's best friend. Can stay with the dogs, but not snakes. Which I will put indemnity.